An invariable rule of humanity is that man is his own worst enemy. Under me, this rule will change, for I will restrain man.
To help carry on our important work, I want you to join the secret squadron.
Shit, yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday to you. How you do? How you feeling? Happy payday, you suckers. All right, so let's start the show in the normal, usual fashion. Let's see here. So, did you know that there's actually 3 days that's popping off today? And here they are. So, Submarine, Hoagie, Hero, Grinder Day. Look at that. A Bill Cosby favorite. Then we have cheese like Stoughton, Gorgonzola, Maytag Blue, and Brie Blue. And raising the awareness of eggs and the benefits, it's World Egg Day as well. Now, at the same time, a few little birthdays for some of the Libras I know. All right. Happy birthday to my cousin, Sharice Kelly. Love you, cuz. And happy birthday to Natalia Daly. Sup, Holmes? Here are y'all gifts.
I wanna wish you a happy birthday. I wanna help you celebrate. I wanna wish you lots of presents. I wanna help you eat your cake.
Well, here's my Kickstarter project, down to the last 51 hours at the time of this filming, of course. One lesson that I learned from this is that I need to promote these things a little bit more and probably have a more different project. So whoever, and I know who it was, pledged this $100, I appreciate it. I'm going to try something else. Thank you. Now, as with any Friday, I usually try to have some videos that'll brighten your day even more than Monday through Thursday, the Friday Follies. Let us begin. Roll them.
Teacher, I need help with my addition, please. Where do I put these parentheses?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Want a bad fish like this? Take your titties out, let them hang, show them fish tits. I love fish titties, I'm a fish, bitch. Bitch, is it too much to ask folks to see some motherfucking fish titties? I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna close my eyes, be like, peekaboo, titties.
People say I use hot women and boobs to get likes on my vines. That's fucking ridiculous. This is art.
I'll bet you can't tell me something that would make me happy and sad at the same time.
You have the biggest penis out of all of your friends.
Yo, did you know I was giving $100 away? I bet your ass didn't. So yes, I'm giving $100 away. And how do I do that, you ask? Mind your goddamn business. All you gotta do is go right here to my site. When you get to my site, you'll notice along the top there will be a tab called The Contest. Go to the contest or click the contest tab. Follow the directions. I know you're not that much of an idiot. I call you suckers, I know that, but I know you're not that much of an idiot. Go on, bring your ass on down there and see what you can get into. Why not? Thanks for your support. You sucker.
Alright, nobody look, I'm about to change.
Hear my prayer, O God. Give ear to the words of my mouth.
Hey, stop slapboxing out here. Oh, I got 20 on the whiteboard.
Hey, what's for dinner?
That bitch you've been texting.
I'm out.
Sup, dweeb?
Oh, we got a problem?
Whoa,
I'm out here.
relax.
I'm in these streets.
Dude,
you feel me?
chill.
Watch where you going, cuz.
No.
You watch where you going, cuz you don't want no problems, cuz. Cuz. What just happened?
You gotta take your shoes off.
I ain't got no socks on.
It don't matter, you gotta take them off.
Yo, what the?
I always love Fridays, man. Not only because it's payday, which this week it's not for me, but somebody out there is watching this payday for them. I always like that because it's payday and I get to put these crazy videos on. I try to find the most funniest joints I got. Let me see, I think I got a few more. Let's check this out.
Diabetes.
Wait, oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Stupid.
Hey, kill that.
Get that, cuz.
Ooh.
We watching Empire?
Yeah, go ahead, put it on. No, what the fuck? No, turn it off, turn it off. Down up. Down up.
What was them two guys doing?
That reminds me, I gotta get caught up on my Empire. All right, but it's also Friday. What's so good about Friday?
Pipe it up. I walk in the club just to pipe it up. Pipe it up. She was a basic bitch, till I piped her up. She was a basic. I'm just doing my dab, I call it the pipe it up. They know they don't have them blue Benjamins. They know I'm on top of the pyramid. They know I'm a go to the Guinness. All this dab a nigga drippin'. Piped up in the city. Piped up with your bitches. Piped up in your vintage.
Who really think they can get in the way? Niggas get it and heard it. Look at the business mergers. Don't back when I'm swerving. Big body, my suburban. Everything I do on purpose. I'm blowing up like it's urgent. The shoes acting like a virgin. I gave it to her, then I curved her.
Now, the thing that gets me mad about that particular video is I don't have that bread. Now, with that being said, happy payday, happy Friday, happy end of the week. Feliz fin de semana. Hopefully I said that right. Hey, listen, have a good weekend. I think this weekend I'm gonna start running a little bit of reruns of the show. Later.